Hello guys, in today's session we will see the multi-tenancy of IOMAD. So multi-tenancy basically this IOMAD come up with the company's concept on top of Moodle installation. Okay, so let's create the demo and try creating some company and let's see how it looks like. So want to see how IOMAD works in the real time, go to this demo site for a immersive experience. Okay, so let me click on this link. So it is here sending me to this. You can also see the credential. So this is credential for the site administration, then the test admin, that means the company, and the password for all is set to awesome. So let me try with this site admin. So click on this link first, and here you have to click on login. Then I am going to use the site administration credential, and the password is awesome. Click on login. Okay. Now here you can see the dashboard. If you log in from a site administrator role, this will be your first page. It will say the welcome back, your name, whatever name you will set here inside profile. Okay. Now, so how this multi-tenancy support? So company that sits on top of your Moodle installation. Okay. That means here you can create a company. Okay, you can see here the company. You can also create users, the courses, the licenses, competency, and e-commerce. These are stuffs you can create and share across the company. Okay, so let me create a company here first. Click on company, create a company. See, that is my name, company. Short name I am putting this same, stop here in the short name, and the company code I also put the same. Let's see what the company code says. This is a unique identifier for this company which can be used to tie the company definition to external systems such as customer relationship manager system. Okay, the address. So currently I am sitting here in New Delhi. Putting both location and address same. Region I am also putting the same. My pin code is this. The country I am from India. So send manager email. If you want, let's make it no. Send manager digest email. No. Apply email set template. No. External supervisor email. None. The company email. Advanced company setting. So the list of company domain you can put here. Let's see what is say. This is the list of company email domain which will be used to auto assign users to this company through local IOMAD sign up login. Okay, so let it be default as whatever here. You can see here the null, or in some cases you can see none or zero. Let's make it default, user default. Whether you want to make the email visibility visible to course participant, yeah, hidden, yeah, everyone. Okay, email format, plain text or pretty HTML format, you can pick here. The email digest type, let it be default. The certificate design, you can also offer a certificate logo you can import, but we will check this later. You just have to create a, so this one is basically the Moodle default one. You can create a certificate. They over there you can import a logo, then the signature will have, then the border, watermark. Click on save new company. Okay, no thanks. So now I'm here on the company page. So the moment I create a company, it will send me again back to the company page. Okay, listing page you can say. By default, the company tab is selected. Now I am going to click here on this manage company. Here I can see I just added this one. Two more company you can see here from the this country and this city, and this one is mine one I just created. You can also suspend a company, that means deactivate, create a child company. You can create a n number of company inside a company. Okay, now let me click on the overview. No manager is specified for this company, no user is specified for this company, no course is specified for the company. Okay, so the creation part of company is done as of now. Click on site administration to go back to this page. I am at a dashboard. So the moment you click on site administration, you will see whatever the model comes up with. But here is a special dashboard, that is I am at dashboard. From here you can see the managed company. Just view that. Now let me try adding user here. Okay, create the user. Here you can see the department, some department have been created. Okay, so this will be asking for the department, which department that goes. Okay, and the role of that assignment will be either you can create a company manager or a, so if you select a company manager here, for which department it will go, you will have to select that. Okay, let me create a user, Sri Ram Sharma, Sri @yopmail.com. Use this email as a username. Password I'm going to use PLS @12345. Okay, this one you can see. Set temporary password by email. No. If you want yes, you can pick the yes. Okay. Now the profile field. Here the company it is saying. Assign licenses, no assign incoming. The list of courses, here it will come. If you want to create a user, at the same point of time, you can also assign courses. You can also assign licenses. You can also add here the company name. Okay. Now click on submit and create another. So you can see here the user has been successfully created. Now let me go back to IOMAD dashboard. Under user, click on this. We can also do some here this like bulk user. Okay, company manager. Yes, this one is a company manager. This company manager is coming here. Okay, so I created this company. So this company was created by default, but let me try creating inside my company. Okay, click on manage company. So my company was this, and this the user was created inside this. If you click here, you can see the overview. I just created this user that go inside this test company. Okay, so the testing part is done. Now if I click on the overview of my company, you can see any user. Now here I am going to create a create a user inside this. So again go back to this. Now under user, create user. So whatever you click here, this will go directly to any particular company here. So if I click on this user, I will have to pick that particular company. Okay, so in my case I just created a Sri company, then I will start creating my user. Yeah, long name, let's make it to company code. Sorry, it is asking to create a company. No, I don't want to create a company, I want to create a user here inside this company. Okay, so please make sure before creating a user you are selected your right company. Okay, so here you can see I have selected the company I just created. Now I am going to create a user inside this company. Okay, so it is saying the first name, so I'll put Sri to Ram. Here I am going to put Sri to @yopmail.com, and I will use the pass at that 12345. Send temporary mail, let it be yes. So here you can see the list of all the department you create inside your company will appear here. Okay, now you can see the role. This user will be my company manager. Okay, so whichever part of will be manageable inside a company can manage this role, this user. Okay, why? Because I am assigning this as a company manager. Got it? Other profile field you can add here, the licenses, the courses. If you want to assign, you can also assign from here. Create, submit, and back to dashboard. Okay, let's see whether I receive email or not. So I am here on your mail. That is again a sample test mail. Let's create one. Not yet. I have not received the email yet, but yes, it will be working. There may be a disable concept here, but it should work. Now again, go back to this IOMAD dashboard. You can see the default company is created, is selected. Okay. Now you can see the list of user by click here on this user tab. Click on this department user manage, and here this one is the department. Assign to role, create a new one if you want. Yes, let me see the company manager, and here you see this one is a company manager. Okay, now go back to the dashboard. Again you see your company is still selected. Click on user tab. Again, if you want to create another user, you can create from here. If you want to assign department to user or manager, here from here you can create. Assign to company, click here. Suppose you have these three user, if you want to assign to this company, you can also do that. Okay, now if you want to remove, you are all free to remove also. Okay, now let me remove this one, the company name. Oops, it also has some bugs that need to be taken care of by IOMAD. Oh, it's log out. Now I am again signing with the site administration credential. Okay, cross this one. Now click on this site administration. You see here the user, the courses, grade, plugins, whatever comes up with Moodle, you see here by default it is coming, but here you can also see some additional tab that is of IOMAD. Attendance report by course, completion overview report you can see. Okay, so again let me play around the company only because this video is around the company. Okay, so report here you can see attendance by course. I am at company overview report. Click on this and you can see the company report. Okay, the test company, the company. If you execute the cron, your data also will be available here. Admin, that is cron.php. Let's see, will not be working as it is not allowing. It has been disabled. It is disabled for that execution of this. Okay, so if you try tomorrow, maybe your data will be here as a new company. Okay, and it will be showing the which one is the company manager and which one is the department manager and the number of user. Okay, company users total and total company courses. So this kind of report you can see as a company report. Company report by course, company report by month. You can see company report overview. This kind of report you can see as a company. Now again go back to this company. Okay, click on manage company and here you will see the list of all the company created. Okay, so mine one gone. I think if I log out, my data will be deleted from here. Okay, you can see it has been lost. I just created a company, it gone. But the by default the two company has given. You can click on this manage company and from here you can see the overview, the number of company manager, department manager, company users and the company courses, total number of, you can see the overview. So this is how IOMAD support the multi-tenancy. And today we have seen the stuffs around the company only, how you can create a company, how to manage company, how to add users to that company. So in this example we just see how to assign a company manager, but the moment you come to adding the user, you can assign the role here. Let me again go to that thing here. From here you can assign the role. What will be the role of the user you are creating in this company? Which company? Your company will be already selected. So in my case the test company is selected. If I want to put this user inside this, you, the moment you click on that, it will be selected. Okay, if you want department training manager, so just click on this, the department training manager will be created after the submission. And so this one is live, that's why the data is being erased on the runtime. So in detail I will have a detailed video once I will install it on my local system, and probably in the next video you'll have that how to install the IOMAD in your local machine. And that system will be the Windows, of course. Currently I'm using the Windows 11. So keep me in touch. If you like this video, please hit a like for me and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.